Alrighty. These are the LASFIT liners I ordered for my 22 CRV. This is the unboxing of them. I'm about to install them. That's the back, and those are the fronts. Stand by. As you can tell, this is the left, and this is the passenger. It has the cutout for the accelerator and your foot pad. That's how you know which one is which. Okay, I had to put y'all on pause while I put them in the car. So this is the driver's side, like I said. They fit pretty good. They recommend that you take out the old ones before you install these. This is the rear, fits perfectly. For the price, I'm very pleased how they fit. We'll have to do a second review after I use them. The back won't be used that much because I don't have small kids. And this is the passenger side. Alrighty. Right now, I recommend to buy.
This is the front driver's side, and I love that it has the lock for you to lock it in. Of course, it's only on the driver's side, but still it keeps it in place. So I just got them, I just put them in. They actually fit, so I'm really happy.
%100 recommend. Fits nice and it looks good. It's not cheap. Easy to install. It's good.